Hello everyone, welcome back. In our previous video, we saw how we created a Sitecore Send account and saw some fake data inside. Let's go and see how we can create an XM Cloud website now. It's a Play Summit XM Cloud website. So the difference between the previous Play Summit and this was the Play Summit previous one was an XM 10.3 traditional version, while this is an XM Cloud website. So we'll just say Sitecore Play Summit dash XM Cloud. Okay, so it is saying which Vercel account you want to use with. So I have an Vercel account already. I'll use with that. I have a GitHub account as well. I have a branch for that. And then the XM Cloud account you want to integrate that with. So now you do need a sandbox for XM Cloud if you want to trial this. Good thing is here for the connection, they have given where to grab the connection keys from. So you go to credentials and create your sample credential here. So what I will do is I'll create one more simple credentials v1, create. Don't worry about this client ID and secret. I'll delete this later on. So we can see client secret, client ID, and then XM Cloud connection sample validate. So it will validate against that account, and I'll apply that. And let's select that. It will also ask me which projects I want. So I have got an sample project in XM Cloud at the moment, and which environment we want to deploy to, it is saying. So I'm gonna do that, and then next. So it's just verifying all the summary, telling me the summary what I have selected. So it's fine. Yep, everything looks good. Deploy. So just like any other sites we have selected in demo portal till now, the deployment will take a few minutes. At least I'm expecting 10 to 15 minutes. So you can see deployment has proceeded now. Only one more step left, which is deploying Vercel app to the Vercel. But you can see XM Cloud instance and everything is working. And this deployment was way faster compared to other XM products because it doesn't have to create Kubernetes cluster and all that. Here you can see Sitecore Launchpad. So it goes to Sitecore Cloud, which is XM Cloud, and loads that project. Just waiting. So it created a site for me inside my project that I already had. It shows which demo scenarios it is possible. XM Cloud project it is referring to, Sitecore content editor. It can take you there. It's very similar to XM. It's just that it has already done this work for us. Not sure why that error is coming up. Maybe it's just that XM Cloud is having an issue. You can't see the front-end Vercel app link yet because it's still deploying. It's still doing that part. All the active integrations, it's highlighted here. You can go in Vercel and actually see what's being deployed. So this is the app that it is deploying, the one we just created. So it's still deploying here. It's not fully deployed yet. So Vercel deployment has finished. It has deployed the app to Vercel. You can go to Vercel and double check that too. So this deployment has finished. Now for some reason it is throwing an error here though. You can see my edge function has crashed, it says. Most probably it is because I might not have cloned the correct branch when I was forking the branch from the default side. I might not have done that correctly. So if we go back here, you can see there's a new option that came up here called Play Summit website. if I would have properly forked the branch for XM Cloud, this would have worked correctly and showed the correct app here. Thank you.